To get started with Photon, a relatively new bot that has gained popularity for its ability to snipe and sell tokens. The first step is to set up an account. This process begins by clicking on a specific link that redirects to a web page where the connection of a wallet is required. Once the wallet is connected, a screen will appear, prompting the generation and download of a Photon trading wallet. Generating the wallet allows access to the wallet address and private key, which is crucial for managing transactions. It is recommended to copy the private key and import it into a Phantom wallet, enabling the use of both Phantom and Photon for trades on the same wallet. Before proceeding, it is essential to save the private key in a secure location, as it cannot be retrieved once lost. The next step involves depositing Solana into the wallet, which can be done by copying the wallet address from Photon and pasting it into Phantom. After selecting the amount of Solana to send, the transaction can be confirmed, and the balance updated once the transaction is complete. With the wallet set up and funded, the focus shifts to the New Pairs section, which displays recently launched token pairs, updating in real time. This section is useful for finding coins early, and sorting options allow for quick identification of new launches. Each coin's information, including market cap and volume, can be assessed to determine its potential as a good buy. There's also an option for a quick buy, which allows for the immediate purchase of a coin with a predefined amount of Solana. The platform also provides filters to customize the search for coins based on specific criteria, such as market cap, volume, and whether the coin has been listed on certain platforms. Adjusting these filters can help in finding safe coins or those that are more likely to yield a profit, though it's crucial to remember that disabling certain safety features increases the risk. Furthermore, the platform offers settings to customize slippage, priority fee, and other parameters to suit individual trading preferences. For instance, adjusting the slippage percentage determines how much price volatility the transaction can tolerate before it fails. The priority fee acts as a tip to expedite transaction processing, and other settings like smart contract protection can be tweaked for added security or faster transaction times. In addition to these features, the platform provides presets for common trading amounts, which can be adjusted based on the size of the trade. More detailed information about each coin, including charts, transactions, and holder distribution, can be accessed through the platform's tabs. This information is invaluable for making informed trading decisions and managing risk. The platform also features a trending section that highlights the top 100 trending token pairs, which can be beneficial for traders looking to capitalize on popular coins. A holdings tab provides an overview of all coins purchased or sold, along with the profit and loss made on each, serving as a useful tool for managing open positions and making strategic sell decisions. Overall, understanding and utilizing these features and settings is key to effectively using the Photon bot for trading and maximizing profit potential.